My name is Elphys, and I'm here to help people drive safely in Iceland.
Oh, happy day.
Aren't we going to Ísafjörður?
The GPS says go on. It's taking us the shortest route.
Are you sure about this? Did you see the sign?
Keep driving. You're doing great.
Just relax, kids. I'm also following the route in Cock-a-Doodle-Doo maps. Oh no.
You're doing great. Keep driving.
What the? Is that an elf?
Excuse me, you have to go back. The road is closed.
Don't you recognize him?
It's Elphys! Foreign travelers should visit safetravel.is for safety information on driving in Iceland. They should also look up road.is and weather.is for information on road conditions and weather. The GPS might point you to the shortest way, but you have to make sure the roads are open during winter. The same goes for Cock-a-Doodle-Doo maps.
Whoa!
It's ice. Slow down. You can always expect icy roads during wintertime, and under certain conditions it can be very difficult to identify them. The best way to avoid trouble on icy roads is to drive slowly. And remember, when you see this sign, it means that the road is closed.
Closed. C-L-O-S-E-D, closed.
Don't go over the line to find out why it's closed.
It's just closed. Just trust me.
You're doing great. You are approaching your destination.
Yeah.